Hi everyone. So I wanted to show you something. I'm sure you have seen a lot of videos about what this beautiful machine here. It's not about the brand, but it's just about the machine. The RO machine does, right? So we all have a RO machine in our house, and we feel very proud that oh, it's so sophisticated. It's so nicely packed. It looks so nice in the house, and I get very pure water, right? Something like this. You just press it and the water is down. Oh, very nice. Just looks like the advertisement, right? So what I wanted to show you is something that you all should know, especially we educated, so-called educated, should know. See, this is empty glass. So I'm taking the RO water in the empty glass, right? Like something like half. And then I'm keeping it here, right? I'm taking another empty glass. Now here I'm going to fill the water that comes from the municipality, right? This is the Manjira water. So I'm going to put like half the glass, right? Something like that, yeah. So I'm going to keep this half the glass here. And then this is called something called as TDS meter. You can buy it for like $250. And actually, as per the health standard, the TDS should be at least 300 plus, 250 to 300 plus, which is good for our body. TDS actually means that the water has minerals, right? So we have been trained to say that water is all, it is hard water, it is bad for us, and all that advertisement has been done successfully. And like educated dumpsters, we have already dumped that knowledge into our heads, thinking that this is a very useful instrument. So if you see, I think this is the water which I've taken from the tap. I'm going to on the TDS and show you what the government is giving us. So here is 00, as you can see, right? So this is 00. I'm just going to keep it inside, and then you can see inside no, this is the RO water. Yeah, this is the RO water. So as you can see, it is hardly 9. Can you see that? 9. And then I put it in the municipal water. It is 152. Can you see that? It's 152. Yes. So this is the situation. The municipal water actually is perfectly having the minerals that we need, and if we drink this, there is absolutely no problem. There is absolutely no problem. We just need that old type of filters, right? The coil ones, and you can have some minerals going into your body. But if you drink this is like poison. You know what it does? The water goes inside. It's actually close to the water that is put in the batteries, right? The batteries inside the inverters and the vehicles, that the distilled water, it is almost at that level. If you drink this water, it will go inside your body, and it will suck away all the minerals that are there inside your body, and you get arthritis, you get bone problems, so many other problems that comes. So then what I did, now I went one step ahead. Now this is, I'm sure you have seen this thing. This is called cow dung, right? Something that our ancestors thought is the most important thing to keep, right? Which our modern education has almost proved that it is equal to dung, like our stool and cow dung is same. No, it's not same. So this is cow dung from pure desi cows. So what we did, we used to burn this in the house to produce some smoke, which is good to remove the mosquitoes and all other germs, including corona, I can say. And after burning the ash that was there, my mother, what she did, she would she would just filter it and press it and make that ash, and she made this much ash here, right? You can see just cow dung ash, nothing else. Cow dung ash, yeah. So then you can take a pinch of this, or you can take a spoon, a little of this much, right? Like this much ash, right? So which glass is which one? Let me make sure. Yeah, this is the municipal water. So I'm going to put this cow dung ash in the RO water and just mix it. And trust me, you can actually drink it. It doesn't even feel that you put any cow dung ash, or it's not like bad for your health or anyway. It's just cow dung ash. Cow dung, when you burn with ghee, the ash that is produced is this, right? So while you know that this produces, how much did we see? Around 9, right? Around 9 pH. So this is the water with cow dung ash that we had just put that ash. We can see actually the ash settles in the bottom. If you can see, it just settles in, it doesn't even mix with the water, it just stays, and then it becomes like normal water in the top. Now you had seen 9, right? Previously when you had kept, where is it? It was 9. Now have a look what it is, right? I'm just going to on this meter again. So I'm going to keep it inside the, see what is it showing? 57. Can you believe it? A little pinch of cow dung ash has brought so many protons, neutrons, and everything that our body needs into this horrible distilled water, right? So mother cow gives us cow dung, and even when it is burnt, you can put that little cow dung ash into the water and you can see the benefit, right? And I can practically drink and show it to you. Here it is. Absolutely fine. I don't see any problem, right? I just drank it, you can see. So in the first 2 lessons here I wanted to just highlight is number 1, the so-called these instruments, throw them out of the house. They are the number 1 enemy of your family, because we have believed the people who advertise these RO machines are a big problem. They will kill you. Okay, I think there are enough videos in the internet to understand. Now you yourself have seen. Second, use the municipal water as much as you can. You can just boil it and keep it in a pot and you can use it. That's all it needs. It's pretty good. Okay, you don't trust how good is your municipal water, you can RO it, or maybe not RO it, but maybe UV it, get rid of it. And UV water, you can add something like cow dung ash, right? Something like this. You can make it in your own house and you can use it, so it increases the minerals and gives your body what it needs, right? So I'm just your well-wisher. I'm not a professional video maker of all this. I'm sure the quality of video is bad, but I was really concerned when I saw this, right? So again, I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to clean this glass and I'm going to go to the super duper machine which I bought, wasting my money, 20,000 rupees, right? Such a beautiful looking water, but actually when I keep this water here and then I put the pH meter, right, and I put it inside, it's scary. 9 is what is, you can see the 9, yeah. So that's very dangerous. You can that will kill your body. In 10-15 years your 20-year-old children cannot play basketball because they can't walk, because this will suck away all the good chemicals. You'll have kidney problems, all kinds of problems coming with this. As I said again, it's not about the brand of the machine, it's the technology itself which is wrong, right? And trust the scriptures, trust the spiritual science that India has. I just heard this and I tried this. I mean, this is Demonte, it's back olives bottle, but I just used it to store the cow dung ash, and I just added it little into the water and you can see what magic it does, right? You add more, it will give more, and the more you drink, the better it is. And there are some people who will even question, why should I use cow dung ash, why this, why that. Now I don't want to name that they are the super dumpsters in modern educated people today who don't want to believe our spiritual science, what India has given. Bye. Hare Krishna.